What if I told you one weekend could be filled with mountain views, peaceful lakes, biking, hiking, kayaking, camping, and an incredible 4th of July fireworks show? Join me as we head to beautiful Big Bear Lake for an unforgettable camping adventure. Our trip started by packing all of our camping gear and getting everything ready for the road. Once the car was loaded, we hit the highway and made our way toward Big Bear Lake. Before heading up the mountain, we stopped at Costco. After that, we continued our drive along the scenic mountain roads. The winding roads, tall pine trees, and breathtaking views made the drive just as enjoyable as the destination. Before checking into our campground, we made a quick stop in the village of Big Bear to grab some delicious food and charge our electric car. Then it was finally time to set up camp and relax in the fresh mountain air. The next morning, we rented bikes and rode around Big Bear Lake. The trail offered amazing views of the water, beautiful forests, and the peaceful surroundings. It was such a fun and relaxing way to explore the area. On our second day, we hit one of Big Bear's beautiful hiking trails, walking through the forest, breathing the fresh mountain air, and enjoying the incredible scenery reminded us why we love spending time in nature. Later that afternoon, we rented kayaks and paddled across the calm waters of Big Bear Lake. Seeing the mountains from the middle of the lake was an unforgettable experience and one of the highlights of the trip. As the sun went down, everyone gathered around the lake for the 4th of July celebration. The fireworks lit up at the night sky and reflected beautifully on the water, creating the perfect ending to an amazing camping weekend.
That's loud. Weak. Me bracing myself for the sound. Weak. Or loud. Yeah. Oh. Weak. Loud. Loud. Boom. I just bracing myself for the sound.
Remember all my first quiz after you gained independence? Yeah. And I put equal. What was going through my mind? We came from the British. They're gone.
Big Bear Lake is the perfect destination if you're looking for outdoor adventure, beautiful scenery, and unforgettable memories with family and friends. If you enjoyed coming along on this adventure, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of my future adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog.